We discussed the sign conventions in mirrors. Now let us try to understand the sign convention in lenses. Okay, what is the thing? First of all, focal length we discuss. So focal length for concave always negative, and for convex these are mirrors. By the way, these are mirrors. Okay, so for convex always positive. Fine. This is focal length. Object distance, object is always going to be in front of the mirror, so always negative, always minus. B will be positive for virtual and direct and negative for real and inverted. Real and inverted and positive for virtual and direct. We have 5 cases in concave mirror for real and inverted and 1 case for virtual and direct. Okay, and for convex we have 2 cases and both are for virtual and direct. So convex mirror we are going to get virtual and direct. So this is about image distance. Okay, we understood why it is negative, because real and inverted means in front of the mirror, so it is going to be negative. Virtual and direct means behind the mirror, that's why positive. This we already discussed. So this is about the mirrors. So let us see what is the change in lenses now. Lenses, what is the change? Lenses, check concave and convex. Okay, so concave lens, again here focal length is negative and for convex focal length is positive. This remains same. Object distance negative, negative, same thing it remains. Now comes the image distance. This is where it changes. Okay, these two things get reversed now. Concave lens has 2 cases where it is virtual and direct, and convex lens has 5 cases of real and inverted and 1 case of virtual and direct. 1 case. So this two gets interchanged. That's it. So concave lens is always going to give virtual and direct. 2 cases will be there, virtual and direct always. For convex lens, 5 cases for real and inverted and 2 cases of virtual. Now let me just show you with the diagram. For a mirror, let us say concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror. Object is on this side, U always negative. Image, that is V, on this side is again negative. Okay, this side. But for lenses, what happens? For lenses, for example, same concave lens if I take, we'll get virtual and direct. When the image is on this side, it is called as virtual and direct. Okay, if image is on this side, it is called as real and inverted. Whereas for mirror, image is in front of the mirror, that is on this side is called as real and inverted, and image on this side is called as virtual and direct. This is the only change that happens here. Okay, so you have to pay special attention to this. In mirrors, whenever there is real and inverted, V is going to be minus. Okay, so V will always be minus. For virtual and direct, V is plus. But whereas here, the image opposite to this is called as virtual erect. So V will be minus here for virtual and direct. Okay. Whereas for real and inverted, V is going to be positive. So pardon me, I have to correct here. Okay, this is one case minus. So real and inverted plus, virtual and direct minus. Okay, so these two things we have to take care. In mirrors, virtual and direct is positive. Real and inverted is negative, that is in mirrors. But in lenses, virtual and erect means negative, real and inverted means positive. This is the only change between sign convention of lenses and mirrors. Okay, thank you so much.